In this video, we show how to replace the chassis intrusion switch in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the intrusion switch, with riser 2 removed, disconnect the cable from the HPM and then unroute the cable. Then remove the 2 screws securing the intrusion switch to the side of the chassis. Then lift the intrusion switch up and out of the chassis. To install the intrusion switch, align it with the slot on the chassis and lower it down into place. Then replace the 2 screws. Then reroute the cable and then reconnect the intrusion switch to the HPM. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.